na me own alien, so no boy can't style me. Na me own alien, yeah. Me no frightened feelings.
Hi guys, it's Saturday. We just had some food, got some pizza and stuff from our downtown location. We're running errands with Daddy today. You guys who see the troublemaker. Baby. Is we got her these light up shoes today. Look at them. Hey guys, we're at home, as you could have seen, and I'm making some dinner. I'm making shrimp pasta. I'm cooking pasta again. It's like all I cook is pasta, babe. Last time I was cooking on here, it was pasta, and now it's pasta again. Talk to the people then. Can we just talk about the inefficiency with Jamaica? Companies in Jamaica. It's worldwide, but I feel like it's extra in this country.
True,
yeah, like as much as I love Jamaica, you don't know say I love Jamaica, but when it comes to a point where it's like sometimes I literally like think to myself, why did I move back again? That's probably the most asked question I ever get on YouTube. Not really why I moved back, but like people always wanting advice on to how to move back and what to do, what not to do, and how to go about doing it. But sometimes I do think to myself that, god damn, I regret moving back. That's the reality of it. In terms of inefficiency and just the lack of respect for basic stuff like respect for time, respect for people's money, respect for just like the little things, basic human rights, like. And the funny thing is, a lot of us out here don't even know that we have rights, and I feel like that's what makes it worse, because they don't know they have rights and just act out of ignorance, and as would I say, go on bad and being bad, it just makes it bad for everyone. And then you have people that just blatantly don't acknowledge basic human rights. And I ain't gonna get into calling any names on here, you know, but this is reality. You get me? You get me, fam? This is reality. So, cutting up some Brussels sprouts, and okay, great, my water boiling for my pasta now. But yeah, I'm just a bit on the downside for this vlog today. But guess what? We're allowed those days. We're allowed those weeks. We're allowed those months. Last night was Kanye West concert in Jamaica, and I did not go. Not because I have anything particularly against the whole event, but mainly because I had work and had prior commitments. There's a lot of controversy revolving around this event. I could care less. Quite frankly, yeah, okay, we know he has his background, his past, his whatever. But if he wants to take this route, then What's the problem? I always watch the Sunday services and stuff via Kim's story because I don't follow him. At least I don't think I do. I love, he's a person, I love music. And I appreciate music, so I always like listening to the Sunday service for just the vibe, the goosebumps, the feeling. Hello. Hi. Hey. Hey. Guys, like, who is this kid? This is who y'all watch being born? I stir fried the shrimp in garlic butter and then cooked it down with some seasoning. I feel like something is trying to stop me from my YouTube. I feel like every time I am like in the middle, in the mindset, in you know, manage my time, everything, set my schedules and everything to get my YouTube done, something comes up. My battery and my charger for my camera went missing. I was supposed to spend this whole weekend filming videos for you guys. Obviously that did not happen. You're getting this vlog instead, but I'm recording on the phone because the camera. Yeah. Guys, I'm thinking about starting a series with my mom, which I think would be really fun. I also been asked to do where they like send in stuff and I read it and like talk about it, like different issues and whatever, and like give my point of view. Do you want to make any more noise? To trouble here.
Why do I see myself? Listen, one word of advice. Don't eat too many vegetables, they give you diarrhea. Don't eat meat, stick to white meat and fish. And pasta.
But they eat red meat the other day.
Pasta.
Eat Burger King.
Oh, and wine, of course. Shit.
I didn't think of telling them what Brussels sprouts were.
Oh, what they do to you?
What did I do to you?
Gas.
What?
Excuse us on my video. Oh, I
Okay.
forgot to tell you, a lot of comments on the vlog where we went to Firefly. And they were like, oh my god, I think it's so cool that your dad knows so much about Jamaica, yada yada yada. I forgot to tell you. Oh, mother joined us. Say hi to YouTube.
You
Oh.
too. This is the boss.
He shot himself. Who killed himself?
Who?
This
Oh.
boy.
Don't.
At the university?
No, they locked him in a cage in 1905. They put him in a cage in the States, took him from Senegal and put him in a cage
To exhibit with the
to
monkeys.
exhibit with the monkeys and then move him to another cage with
For
the
what?
orangutans. So people could come and look over
And
40,000
poke him and make
white
fun of
people
him.
went.
A human being?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know when? What year?
1905.
1905.
Oh my
It's
god.
not so long ago.
Oh my
When
god.
did he shoot himself?
Because after
Trauma.
No.
and people tried.
He
There's
started
this
acting
black
like monkeys.
organization tried to help him, but they kept him in there so long with the monkeys that he started acting wild.
Right.
So anybody that came close to him, he would like try to attack them or
Oh
something,
my
right? Because
god.
they were poking him and
Of
making
course,
fun of
yeah.
him. So he was now like a savage,
Oh
right?
my god.
And finally, they got him out and took him to an asylum. And he had his own room and stuff, and eventually he came around, learned English and stuff like that, and went to a theological college
Yeah, for do the speech and such.
and to learn things that they didn't put in the regular Bible, right? And thing there, he kept making fires outside and dancing
Oh
around
my
it because
God.
he kept remembering his past. And he missed it. So one day he just come out and move and go to this shed and just take a gun and kill himself.
You know, there are so many disgusting stories like that is beyond slavery, because this is 150 years after abolition of slavery. And this is what we do. That's why I said to you what I said to you. is that I genuinely believe that white people were afraid to acknowledge that black people were superior because black people were
They were scared
the
of it.
beginning, right? And they just didn't want to accept it. So
Because at the
they
end of the day,
used their technology, they used their science to convince themselves and all sorts of crap. And I don't know.
Okay, well.
this is
All I know is
way, way deep for this vlog. Scallion, boogie, scallion. Or spring onions if you go to the UK. Spring onions.
my mother's Viennese wine glass, for God's sake, you're a menace. You see this? This is not Jamaican, okay? This is foreign import. A real Jamaican onion is this size, but it has more flavor than all of this.
Look there, look there.
That speaks of the whole country. Done. We're going to my wine.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to insert
Disclaimer from your father.
yeah.